It's time for another adventure, and this time we're running up through the Watagans in search of the perfect campsite.
So you're saying one of us go in front of them and the other one go behind them?
Let's go up that road, they said. It's gonna be fun, they said.
Entering via Watagans Forest Road on the south side of the state forest, we're heading north towards Cessnock. A steeper climb than the tourist drive that comes in from the east, and a bit of a rougher path that's not the easy way, but it's nothing these bikes can't deal with. So who have we got on today's ride? We've got Matt on the 800 GS. We've got Gary, G1 on the KLR 650. Gary, G2 on the DRZ 400. Andres on his 650 GS, and this weekend we've got Tubbsy joining us on his 1200 GS. And of course I'm on the Tenere 660 as usual. The day's brief was pretty simple: explore the Watagans until we find a really good campsite. Andres was the first to drop it, but certainly won't be the last.
Yeah, it's going to come. That's all right. You jumped off all right?
This is very hard for me.
Yeah, it's hard for me too. Don't worry. Hang on a sec. Don't tell me. All right, 1, 2, 3. Up. All right.
Something's leaking.
Might be your ass.
Huh?
Might be your ass.
No, it's petrol, I can smell it.
Does it start up? You alright? Go. So just look up where the bikes are and head that way. Off you go. That's it. Look up the hill. Go. Ease off. Small bikes makes it easier, eh?
Yeah, for sure. I hope Tubbsy doesn't put his down.
Yeah, I know. Well done, mate. You're all right. Just keep looking up the hill, Andres.
I don't know if I can do this.
You'll be right. Just nice and slow. Look up the hill. Feather the clutch.
I feel this initial drop may play on Andres' confidence through the weekend, because we did the running stream ride and I actually found that one tougher than this one.
Where am I now?
Huh? We're not going up there. I think Andres dropped it. Oh, here they come.
I can only just hear you breaking up a lot.
No, I was just talking to Gary, Tubbsy. No, he's doing good.
We're coming.
Yeah.
I didn't even video it. This is very hard for me.
It is hard, yeah. Just keep eyes forward. Don't worry about what's there. Look, strategic. And up on the pegs.
All right, let's do it.
You in second?
Yep. Yeah, you need that momentum. Like first gear, you just don't have quite enough.
Yeah, it's only on the big bumps when I sort of slow right up and...
Yeah, even then, like these things have got so much suspension travel.
Yeah, true.
You know, they're when you slow it down too much, it loses that forward momentum, and that's when it tips.
Yep. Right you are, my friend. Right you are.
Theoretically speaking, of course.
The original plan was to scout through the park in the morning and then head to Cessnock for lunch, grab some fuel, top up, etc. Maybe even grab some booze, and then we'd head back to whichever campsite we discussed over lunch would be the best.
What are we doing? Camping here?
That's it, we're done. Camping, set up here for a couple of days. Yeah, that's right.
I'm good with that. I'm done.
However, with a bit of a late start, it ended up probably that wasn't going to work. Oh, here's a nice little spot. Let's check it out.
Yeah, there's a little track that goes down there. Should we have a look? Yeah.
I remember the last time I went off the track, I had to push my bike out of Blackberries.
We'll have a little look. Gary's going to have a look. You can wait here if you want. We'll just check it out. Yeah. I think that'll get too hard for the others.
That's what I'm thinking.
Yeah.
It's okay going down, but if we've got to come back.
Yeah. Yep.
It's digging into the ground. There we go. Oh, good.
We're aiming to find a campsite that is a little difficult to get to because then it won't have so many people. Having said that, it's got to be achievable for everyone to get there.
That's fun.
Cool day.
For wood.
We'll get firewood later, Vern.
How far along is the main camping area, like that first one? We're going to just like head to there,
Yeah.
and then we'll see what the population's like, and then figure out what we're going to do.
Yeah, it's another 40 Ks.
40?
Yeah.
40, that's a long way. So many little midges around.
Yeah.
Won't need lunch, I've eaten that many. Yeah, all good, man. Just nice to get your confidence back, hey? And even coming out of that little track, like you were fanging it. That last bit, I mean, this bit's quite nice to cook along in third gear. up now. It's good.
If you're curious how long that water bottle was going to stay there, until about here. So we grabbed some lunch at HQ, checked out our options, had a look at around the campsite, some of the popular ones around, and then opted to sort of look for something else.
Can't hear.
Let's go find another one.
Can't hear a word you're saying.
Too many people.
Turn your engine off.
You're a cunt.
Is this like the start of the race? I got to wave a flag.
I know who'd win.
20 feet, yeah. There's a few. But it's still pretty quiet. There's still room.
Yeah, it's not too bad. I mean, like if we can't find anywhere else, we can.
Yeah.
There's a couple of spots that look alright.
Alright, I mean they didn't seem like the hooligan kind of people up there.
Even over here, there's a couple of spots like around in there.
You guys are alright.
I think the people up top, probably the people.
Hey everyone, you're not cunts.
I think there were a lot more older people.
Here. So, do we want to set up down here?
I reckon we can go and look for something a little bit quieter that's off the beaten track.
Alright, let's do that.
And then if we can't find anything, come back here.
Okay.
Alright, sounds
Go
like
back
a plan.
to under the power pole.
Yeah. We could find something probably when nobody's around.
Yeah.
We knew there was something better out there, so let's go and explore.
Yeah. 4Ks.
Right,
So,
what's this called? Rope Road?
Rope Road.
Okay.
And then down the end of it is somewhere we can camp.
Right, okay. How good would it be to get a clearing looking at that?
Yeah.
That view back there, man.
So it's basically the same thing but looking west instead.
Okay.
So,
Cool.
what do you reckon?
Yeah, let's have a look.
This looks like a four-wheel drive track, but we can give it a go.
Yeah, if it gets too hard to turn around.
You know the one we went through that said Creek Road?
Yeah.
I had to turn around on that one
Right,
in
okay.
a four-wheel drive.
Yeah.
So these things are kind of hit and miss.
Yeah.
It kind of looks like a four-wheel drive track, but it doesn't look too bad.
There's no point, because if Gary gets through, doesn't mean we can get through.
Yeah, but he can come back.
I don't know, man.
Well, I guess it's only 4Ks.
Yeah, we can give it a go.
May as well give it a go. It'll definitely, it doesn't look like anyone's been down there, like in the last 24 hours.
This looks dry.
Yeah, we should be okay for most of
Give it a
Yeah, we'll find out very quickly if it's a
Yeah.
four-wheel drive track or not.
Yeah.
All of these
anyone's-
ones doing this type of thing normally are the four-wheel drive tracks.
Yeah. Yep.
Let's do it.
There's only one way to find out. It's only 4Ks.
Okay.
Who wants to go first?
Right, you're on camera, Vern. Let's go. Ride it like you stole it, Norgard. Who's up front? Is it Tussy or is it Gary?
Gary's.
Alright. If they stop, then it's time to stop.
Yeah, exactly. If he can't do it, no one can.
in it. Whoa! Yeah, I'm in the ditch. Don't stop. Whoa, I can't see anything. I'm way too close to you. Oh. There was lots of Matt relying on suspension then. BMW engineering, come on. We'll see how wondrous and tough he goes. Lucky I love mud, right?
No.
What's a big ass stick? Oh. I can't even look in my mirror to see if they're behind me. Ah, they're stopped. We'll keep going, we'll see if it's doable, and then we can come back and coach them through.
Yeah, exactly.
Big Dipper. Oh yeah, that looks alright.
Yeah.
That's more like it.
Yeah, that way.
No.
Was that them yelling?
Is that Andrews?
We don't.
Yeah, he's down.
Are we going to ride back or walk back?
Is he in the water?
He's on. Well.
Would we find the utopian campsite? Are we all still together and all the bikes still in one piece? Did Andres even make it? Find out in the next episode.